Okay, I am going to talk about how to install the Subversion plugin for Eclipse. You need the Subversion plugin so that you can connect to the Google Code project and check in code or check out code. Here we go. First of all, get your Eclipse open and then click on Help. Click on Software Updates. There are a couple of menu options here. Install software, which is what opens by default, and then there is another tab option called Available Software. Here, what you do is you have to do add site, and then there is a location. So the SVN location is basically subclips.tigris.org/update_1.6.x. Now click OK. So what happens is it comes out and sits here. Now expand this. It says pending, and let's see what it does. It basically is trying to get some stuff out from the web, and look here. So it's basically gotten two projects. It's got the 1.3.x stuff and the 1.6.x stuff. So what you should do is basically install everything. So I'm going to check here, which checks everything under it, and check here, checks everything under it, and then just say install. And at this point, it's doing calculating requirements and dependencies, and it's going to take a while it does this. So it actually did all the search and then comes back and it presents you with a big whole list of things that it wants to install. Just leave everything as selected and then click the next button. And then you're going to get one more big list of things where you should review the licenses. I pretty much just keep everything the way it is. You have to accept the agreement though, and then click on finish. At this point, it says operation in progress, and it's pretty much getting stuff from the internet and installing the SVN plugin. So once it is installed, it says it's strongly recommended that you restart the Eclipse platform for the changes to take effect, etc. So you just click on yes. And what it does is it basically shuts off Eclipse and then restarts it. So at this point, the Eclipse platform has been restarted, and we need a way to check whether the SVN plugin has installed properly. SVN is Subversion. So the way to check that is click on any project, doesn't really matter which project it is, do a right click and then go to team and then say share project. That's how you share your project with a repository system. So at this point, it gives you a choice, CVS and SVN. Now, if SVN is not installed, you would probably not even see this page. You would only see the default CVS page. CVS automatically comes with Eclipse Ganymede. Now, when you hit SVN, when you hit the SVN repository type, just trying to select it and then say next. The next thing it's going to ask you is the URL. And if you know the repository URL, you can type that in and there you go.